In this video, I will show you how to upload a PDF on Deepseek AI. Let's get started. I begin by opening my browser and heading over to the chat page on chat.deepseek.com. First, I look at the interface. I want to upload my document, so I hover my cursor down to the input section at the bottom of the screen. Right next to the text box, there is a small paperclip icon which allows me to attach files. I go ahead and click on this paperclip icon. This action opens up my computer's file explorer. I navigate to my Downloads folder where I have my document stored. I can see a PDF file named sample_unemployment_article. I click on this PDF file to select it, and then I click on the Open button to begin the upload process. Once clicked, Deepseek begins uploading and parsing the document. I can see the progress ring spinning as it processes the file. After a brief moment, the PDF is successfully read and prepared, displaying a PDF icon along with the file size. Now, I want to ask the AI to analyze this document. I click inside the Message Deepseek text area and type out my request. What is the content of the PDF file? I want a quick overview of what the document is about. After typing my question, I look for the blue arrow button on the right side of the input field, which serves as the send button. I click on the blue arrow to submit my prompt. Deepseek processes the input and quickly generates a comprehensive summary of the PDF. It outlines that the document is titled Understanding Unemployment and details key topics like its definition, economic impacts, common causes, government responses, individual actions, and a conclusion. I scroll down slightly to read the generated response fully. The summary is highly detailed, but I want something even more concise. I decided to ask for a shorter version. I click back into the text box at the bottom of the screen and type, "PLS summarize it." Once again, I click on the blue send button on the right. Deepseek immediately begins working on my new request and generates a concise, easy-to-read summary of the article, breaking down the core concepts of unemployment, its key indicators, main causes, and how governments and individuals typically respond. And that is how you easily upload and interact with a PDF file on Deepseek AI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.